Yo, what's up guys? And I think I found a really OP combo. And yeah, I know I got Yama after knowing that I didn't need to have got Chalice or Rip Indra spawned in by my friend, thank you by the way. So the combo will contain some fruit, max level. Yama doesn't need to be full level, and then Sharkman Karate, 300 mastery as well. And then, yeah, so the stats, full blast roots. If you are max level, full defense, half melee, half sword. So what you want to do is flash dip, okay, flash dip, symphonic, and then this, use that, and then, oh my god, I feel good. Okay, it's kind of hard to see, so instead I'll show you. After my reload is done, so simply you use the C ability, and then V, and then Z twice, and then X ability. After that, use C, Sharkman Karate C, Pressure Vortex, and then use this, following with a Hellish Slash. So I'll show you how that looks. Or I'm gonna let him come near me, and then use Flash Dip. So I failed there, as you can see, I failed there, and that's my bad. But that's because the space is not enough, you need like a lot of space. After X, you have to hit like C really fast. Okay, we're going. You can use the other way around too. After you use sound, all the sound abilities, you can use Hellish Slash. Or you can do my way, okay? Alright, I'll show you how it works. Now for real. Then come here, and then use this, Glorious Harmony. Like that. But he teleported away, so that's below me. Let me just kill it real quick. No. He heals so fast, man. Get that. Glorious Harmony. Oh wow, he's taking. Oh wow. He's okay. Anyways, let me try it on possibly a boss. If Adam Empress is here. She is here. Okay, she's here. Okay, so what you want to do is use that. So that is the full combo. So I'll let her out and then try that again. That was successful, but if you didn't see that. So again, C, and then V, C, triple. Okay, good. Anyways, that is the full combo. So I'll type in the description all the moves, like the moveset, By the way, make sure to have tempo meter as well. Tempo meter, the full tempo meter, because it helps a lot. Anyways, I'll be getting to chill next video, and probably Deadstep. Or maybe should I buy Deadstep right now? I can buy Deadstep. I can afford it, as you can see. Oh wow, I actually died to her. That's crazy. Anyways, thank you for watching. That's it. Bye, I'm out.